Typing is one of the primary thing for a user to interact with computer system. During typing we give or input character data into computer such as alphabets, number, special characters etc. Most of the time you may be seen a people who practice each and every day but still his/her typing speed not improving. Why? In this tutorial we are going to tell a step-by-step procedure for the improvement of typing. You have to keep all these steps in mind and then start practice. You will see a huge improvement very soon. Forget every bad habits. What are bad habits in typing? Bad habits mean that you are typing wrong key with wrong finger. That will be very difficult for you to forget it, but try, because these bad habits are killer of your typing skill. Position your finger on the right key. Keep your fingers on the appropriate keys and then press each finger in order to type. That will guide you that how to keep your fingers on each key. Avoid looking to keyboard. I know that initially it will be difficult for you to type without looking to keyboard. But believe me, if your fingers is on the appropriate key, then gradually you will feel better. Don't keep your wrist on keyboard or laptop. Install Typing Master. After keeping all the above things in mind, now this is the time to start practice in order to improve your typing skill. For this purpose, you have to install Typing Master, which guide you that how to type. Download Typing Master. Practice every day. After the installation of Typing Master you have to practice more and more as possible. If you practice a lot, your typing speed will be enhanced very soon.